Welcome back to my channel. Capital letter A. I am writing capital letter from P to Z. Capital letter P. P for parrot. Q. Q. R. R. S. T. T. U. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Today we have learned capital letter P to Z. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. P is for parrot, Q is for queen, R is for rose, S is for ship, T is for train, U is for umbrella, V is for violin, W is for watch, X is for xylophone, Y is for yacht, and Z is for zebra. Once again I am repeating P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching.